Third problem, factor the following algebraic expressions. So we need to factorize the algebraic expressions. That means we need to take out the factors. Okay, so let's start with the first bit. In the first bit we are having 4y square plus 1 plus 1 by 16 y square. Okay, so for this, as you know, if you see this carefully, it's in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a plus b whole square. So that means first let us convert this. Okay, so 4y square can be written as 2y square plus 2ab. We will just leave this. Okay, we will come back to this afterwards. 1 square is 1. Okay, and 16 can be written as a square of 4y whole square. Okay, so now we got a and b. 2ab, a is 2y and b is 1 by 4y. So here we got all the terms, and with this we can write a plus b whole square. A is 2y and b is 1 by 4y whole square. Okay, so we got the first bit. Now let us do the second one. 9m square minus 1 by 25n square. So in this we can apply the whole square for both. So the 3 square is 9. Okay, so 3m whole square minus 1 can be written as a square, and 25, for 25 we can write 5 square, so 5n whole square. Okay, so this is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So what is a? A is 3m plus 1 by 5n, and a is 3m again minus 1 by 5n. So these are the two required factors.